Welcome into the channel. I guess I probably gotta turn the light on. Definitely appreciate you clicking on the video. I'm gonna check out 1 in a billion moments in nature. Yeah, I'm gonna try to keep my intros natural just so that I can try to just make it solely on the video and just a nice raw reaction. Hopefully get better at talking and hopefully help me get better at talking for when I'm playing games. But let's just jump right into it. Oh, I forgot to click back on the screen. That would have been kind of cool. Is that actual Kung Fu?
Luck doesn't knock. It rushes in like the wind, and sometimes it saves you before you even realize you need saving.
I feel like it keeps getting messed up somehow. That's all the way up. I wish the music wasn't on here. Where to? That was insane. You couldn't get any more lucky than that. Go buy a lottery ticket, man.
Do you have one belay?
Hang on a second.
Can you clip that to your harness?
No. She gonna let go? Like slip?
Okay, you're golden.
I don't know whose instinct told them to throw that rope, but the timing, unbelievable. He wasn't waiting on luck, yet somehow it's luck that reached out and pulled him back from the edge.
You got a little wet. I probably would have died for that one, man. That's the one from the very start of the video. Like I showed again. Really cool though. Where did that come from? Oh, there's a building there. Yeah. It's a narrow road. How did you know that was coming? You started swerving ahead of time.
I'm pretty sure the driver didn't just see a landslide. He watched an entire mountain glide past his windshield like a slow-motion nightmare.
I can imagine. I don't know how we see it coming before it happens. That one you might have heard cracking.
Alles gut?
Yeah. How did the other one would have slowed down before the other one? Is it the wind?
Sometimes the universe doesn't just test us, it pulls a prank with perfect comedic timing.
It's kind of funny though. Oh, this isn't gonna be good.
No matter how much she trained, that throw, pure cinematic luck.
You guys, oh my god.
You just ruined it though. But that had to be some sharp. That looks awesome. That looks like a home decor.
This isn't just sleep, it's serenity. A sea turtle deep in slumber, breathing bubbles like whispers to the ocean.
Does that happen often? Sea turtles are so much different. Gotta go to an aquarium someday. See some of these underwater creatures in real life. Is that underwater?
Turns out the
Fish tank?
teachers weren't exaggerating. Storms really do form inside the clouds. This cockpit footage over the Atlantic captured lightning trapped within, flickering like a soul searching for a way out.
Some sight to see though. From above the clouds, it's almost gotta look not real. Whoa.
The fact that someone managed to capture this moment on camera, that alone is a 1 in a billion chance. Like the universe chose them to be its witness.
Lightning into a volcano? Is that what I'm witnessing? Lightning into a volcano.
No one was prepared for this sight.
The odds of that
Storm
happening
Dara
has
had
to
turned
be
the
slim
Palat
to none
Dunes into a
anyway.
windy battlefield. At Cap Ferret, 73 miles per hour winds roared past like a warning from nature.
Don't take a camper there. If you're on a boat, why are you just sitting there? On your knees. It's like water. That's gonna be a lens. See, this looks like AI.
In the wild, goats climb to survive. Every step is an instinct to fend off predators. But when there's no danger,
You know, heavy
they
man.
simply climb for pure joy.
And you're wearing them out.
To see such a majestic creature up close is not only rare,
I thought that was
but a
somebody
once in
hanging
a
over
million
the edge.
moment, unique and unrepeatable.
Is it still alive? Looked like the blowhole was moving, but nothing else is. I think they're fairly close to shore. Really dirty water. It's like a fish. That is cool. What the heck? Camouflage? I'm so confused. Everyone's eyes glow in the dark.
How many elephants can you count? This site is not for the impatient.
Oh, it's skipping. It was like 16, 17-ish. It was like 20,
Overripe
but it
fruit can
skipped.
naturally ferment,
20%.
producing ethanol. When consumed by birds, they have a reaction similar to drunkenness in humans.
That's gonna be nice to feel like that. Is this fresh water or salt water? Holy crap. Can't even tell what kind of fish they are. Oh yeah. I don't know how I can't tell what some of these are.
Waves are not simply moving water. They are the raw energy of the earth rising. When these walls of water crash upon us, they remind us that humans are but a small guest in the midst of nature's fury.
That statement is too true. Oh yeah. That is really gonna end well.
August 2nd in the Himalayan region of Himachal Pradesh,
What year?
torrential rains overwhelmed the Malana hydropower project. Within moments, riverbanks vanished and vehicles were swept away by the rising current. A sudden reminder of how fragile human structures are against nature's fury. On September 14, 2020, a massive landslide completely collapsed Mount Karakeshi in Kyrgyzstan.
5 years ago. Wow.
The mountain, home to vast coal reserves along the ancient Silk Road, crumbled into dust, raising deep concerns about the environmental cost of resource exploitation.
Not sure how they fit the category. Not saying that's the case with this clip, but some of them. Is that a ship? Oh no, they're on land.
When the mountains break loose, there is no time to run. Only aftermath remains. On August 5th, 2025, heavy monsoon rains triggered a catastrophic landslide in Darli village, Uttarakhand, India. Flash floods tore through homes, hotels, and shops, leaving behind a haunting reminder of nature's unstoppable force.
People lost everything. Somebody whistle? Oh wow. These buildings are just collapsing. Oh. And what do you do against natural disasters?
This moment was captured along the Kinar Kailash Trail. A sudden rock slide came roaring down, triggered by recent storms. For hikers here, sights like this aren't unusual, they're expected.
Those are just rocks. That's gonna cause some massive damage.
Called shimeji in Japan, this mushroom is not only edible, it's a protein-packed giant, enough to feed a village, with plenty to spare.
Crap. They didn't even get the whole thing. It's only like
When
half
thick
of it.
ice sheets start to break in spring, nature leaves behind these icy candles, fragile, fleeting, and quietly beautiful. When halophyte algae encounter high salt concentrations, the pair creates something you've never seen before. Why stay indoors when places like this exist?
What is that?
Quick question, can a rock float? Most would say no, but pumice proves otherwise. Its volcanic birth traps gas bubbles inside, making it lighter than water.
That's not a
Ever
rock,
seen one
though.
float in real life?
A volcanic rock is not an actual. Oh, maybe, I guess, if you started examining it as.
Look
I don't
closely.
know if it's a geologist or
Something's
what
off with the
exactly
moon
examines
tonight.
stones.
A perfect circle? Not quite. Could it be a rare optical illusion, or is nature hiding something from us? What do you think? In 1937, engineers struck something unexpected beneath Soda Springs, Idaho.
I don't know what they're
Instead of oil or gas, they unleashed a cold water geyser, shooting over 100 feet high, on the hour, every hour. This is the only man-controlled geyser on Earth. A geological accident turned into one of nature's rarest spectacles.
Whoa. How many birds were on there? How'd they not?
At first
So
glance,
I
it looks like a fantasy scene. But this waterfall exists. Would you visit a place like this?
I probably would.
Grimsel Pass weaves through the Alps like a coiling serpent, and on misty days, even the clouds slither through.
Don't mind living in a
Sunlight
place
cuts
like
through
that.
smoke, like a living Van Gogh painting.
except anything doesn't move.
Cold air pooled in the valley overnight, wrapping part of the farm in frost while the rest lay bathed in morning light.
That would be, yeah, you kind of see that here. I don't know if it's
This scene is no coincidence. It has happened before, and it will happen again on the night of December 5th and 6th, 2024.
that's last
Millions
year.
of baby fish are swarming into the harbor. Nature is repeating a message that humans have yet to decipher.
Okay, well, I don't understand it. That's for sure. They're just getting rid of themselves like
Aquatic salamanders lay their eggs in clusters, which they then skillfully attach to tree roots to keep them still underwater.
I've never heard of aquatic salamanders. And they got more of
Jeff?
these too.
Japanese knife for 20 bucks?
Oh.
Shit, this deal is insane, but they literally have too many knives and need them.
Oops. Oops. Oh well, I'll leave it here. I'm just gonna try to keep this outro nice and short. Well, if you guys are here watching, I definitely appreciate you clicking on the video. That was, yeah, I'd say this one compared to the other ones I've seen in the past on this channel, this one probably falls most under nature moments, but I guess that depends on how you mix things, because animals are nature, we're nature. Nature could be just about anything, because everything depends on how you look at it. But yeah, I definitely appreciate you guys being here, clicking on the video, watching it. If you enjoyed watching, if you want to continue watching, if you want to subscribe, definitely helps me out. Hoping to continue going at least a video every other day, and I don't know where to from there. If you guys got any ideas for suggestions, post them down below. I'm going to post the link to this one down below if you want to check out the original video. But yeah, until the next one.